Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In this particular video, we will run through the latest status of Indian Navy's plan to acquire 111 naval utility helicopters, which is under the strategic partnership model. And we will also do a quick revisit of India's 200 Kamau Ka-226T helicopters deal with Russia. Even though Indian Navy has shortlisted 4 Indian private companies for the Make in India program to manufacture the 111 naval utility helicopters, these companies want the Defence Ministry to keep the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited out of this particular deal. This is to ensure that even the private sector companies can be given a chance to involve themselves in such mass manufacturing of defense equipments and develop themselves into a large aerospace company like HAL. The 111 naval utility helicopters can operate from warships, and it will be used for replacing the aging Chetak helicopters used for search and rescue operations. Not only this, the Chetak helicopters are also used for casualty evacuation, low-intensity marine operations, and torpedo drops. According to the private companies, HAL is already overloaded with many old orders which needs to be taken care at priority. As per the defense sources, HAL already has an order book of 60,000 crore and is set to get another order worth 39,000 crore for light combat aircraft besides the Kamau Ka-226 choppers deal. So this was the latest update on the 111 naval utility helicopter deal. Let us take a revisit of the 200 Kamau Ka-226 choppers deal. India and Russia signed a deal in 2015 for the supply of 200 Russian Ka-226 helicopters. These choppers will be manufactured by Indo-Russian Helicopters Limited, which is a joint venture between HAL, Russian Helicopters and Rosboron Export. Out of these 200 helicopters, Indian Army would receive 135 of them and the rest 65 would be given to Indian Air Force. The main intention behind acquiring these Ka-226 choppers is to replace the military's aging Cheetah and Chetak helicopters which had large number of incidents recently. Among the orders signed, 60 choppers are expected to come from Russia in flyaway condition and the remaining are to be built at HAL via the Make in India policy. According to the defense sources, the choppers which will be delivered to India will have higher indigenous contents and enhancements. As of now, there are no clear details on the type of weapons and systems which are going to be installed in these choppers. As per the update from the head of Russian helicopters on November 17, 2019, looks like India is still delaying to sign this particular contract for purchasing these 200 helicopters. Looks like we need to wait and see if this is taken care at the earliest from the Indian Defence Sources side. The military version of light multi-mission helicopter Ka-226 is designed for operation in remote areas, tough terrain, overseas, surveillance and transportation of supplies and personnel. It will also be meeting the demands of one of the world's highest military deployments at the Siachen Glacier, which is being handled by Cheetah chopper fleet as of now. In addition to these, under the training program, there is a plan to put 5 simulators for Ka-226 pilot training, and one of them will be set at the facilities where the 60 Ka-226 helicopters will be produced for India. The another 4 simulators will be delivered to India and will be placed at the facilities of the Air Force and Indian Army. Let us take a quick look on what this Kamau Ka-226 helicopter which India is planning to procure. The Ka-226T helicopter is a small twin-engine Russian utility chopper which entered service in 2012. Instead of Rolls-Royce 250C engines, this variant is fitted with more powerful Safran Turbomeca Aries 2G1 engines, and each engine provides 670 SHP, providing improved high altitude and high temperature operations. These light multipurpose helicopter has a maximum takeoff weight of 3.6 tons and it has a maximum speed of 250 km per hour with a range of 600 kilometers. These helicopters can carry up to 6 people and it has excellent control while maneuvering and while handling it. So that was an update on the latest happenings with the 111 naval utility helicopters and a revisit on 200 Kamov K226T chopper deal with Russia. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.